Hi everyone, in this video we'll solve CPC exam practice questions related to medicine section. This is going to be part 2. Keep your CPT manual ready. Let's begin. Read the first question. Mary, who has food allergies, came to her physician for her weekly allergen immune therapy that consists of 2 injections prepared and provided by the physician. Choose the correct CPT code. So this question is related to allergen immune therapy. Before solving this question, I want to explain about allergen immune therapy. Okay, allergen immune therapy codes are 951152, 95199. So they include professional services necessary for allergen immunotherapy. So the codes 95115 and 95117 are for professional services for allergen immunotherapy, not including provision of allergen extracts. It simply means that the physician is providing the injection but he is not preparing it. Okay, and the codes 95120 till 95134, they include provision of allergenic extract. So it means that the physician is preparing the injection and also providing. So in this scenario they have mentioned the physician prepared and provided the 2 injections. So we have to code according to that. So check option A 95125, that is for professional services for allergen immunotherapy in the office or institution of prescribing physician, including provision of allergenic extract, 2 or more injections. So it is exactly matching with the question. So the right answer is 95125 itself. Let us check other options also. 95117, which is for professional services for allergen immunotherapy, not including provision of allergenic extract. It means that the physician is not preparing the injection. He is only providing it. So we cannot code 95117 for this question. So we'll eliminate option B. Coming to option C, 95131, that is for 2 stinging insect venoms, but in the scenario they have mentioned 2 injections. So we cannot code for stinging insect venoms. So eliminate option C. Coming to option D, 95146, which is for professional services for supervision of preparation, provision of antigens for allergen immunotherapy, 2 single stinging insect venoms. So that is not matching with the question. So directly eliminate option D. We are left with option A, which is the right answer, because here the physician is preparing and providing the injection. Next question. Read the question. An established patient had a comprehensive exam in which she has been diagnosed with dry eye syndrome in both eyes. The ophthalmologist measures the cornea for placement of soft contact lens for treatment of this syndrome. What codes are reported by the ophthalmologist? So let us check the first code from each options. So in option A we have 92014, option B 99214, again in option C and D we have 92014. So let us check the codes 92014 and 99214. 92014 is for ophthalmological services, medical examination and evaluation, comprehensive established patient, 1 or more visits. And 99214 is for office or other outpatient visit for E&M of an established patient which requires medically appropriate history and MDM of moderate level. But according to the scenario, the established patient had a comprehensive exam in which she has been diagnosed with dry eye syndrome in both eyes and the ophthalmologist is providing the service. So according to the scenario, this patient is having ophthalmological evaluation service, for which we have a separate code. So it will be wrong if we use the code 99214. Eliminate option B. If one code is wrong, the entire option will be wrong. Now we are left with option A, option C and option D. So 92014 is the right code, which is for ophthalmological services. That is, the patient had comprehensive exam and established patient. So 92014 is the right code. Now let us check the second code in option A, C and D. 92071, 92325 and 92310. 92071 is for fitting of contact lens for treatment of ocular surface disease, and 92325 is for modification of contact lens with medical supervision of adaptation. And 92310 is for prescription of optical and physical characteristics of and fitting of contact lens with medical supervision of adaptation, corneal lens, both eye, except for aphakia. According to the scenario, the ophthalmologist measures the cornea for placement of the soft contact lens for treatment of this syndrome. So, according to code 92310, it is not prescription of optical and physical characteristics of and fitting of contact lens, right? So, eliminate option D. And code 92325 is for modification of contact lens, but the ophthalmologist measures the cornea for placement of the soft contact lens. So 92071 is the appropriate code. The description in the scenario matches with the code 92071, which is for fitting of contact lens. So the right answer is option A. We'll eliminate option C also. Next question. If you want to solve some more questions and also study guidelines related to medicine section, then check my playlist CPC Exam Medicine series. Let's solve this. A pediatric patient with suspected food allergies is sent for allergy testing that involves scratch tests over his back. He is tested for 8 different foods and there are 2 control tests performed. What is the correct code for percutaneous scratch test with allergenic extracts? Check option A, 95004. 95004 is for percutaneous test, scratch, puncture, prick with allergenic extracts, immediate type reaction including test interpretation and report, specify number of tests. 95017 is for allergy testing, any combination of percutaneous and intracutaneous, sequential and incremental with venoms. And 95018 is for allergy testing, any combination of percutaneous and intracutaneous, sequential and incremental with drugs or biologicals. And 95024 is for intracutaneous test with allergenic extracts. In the question, they are asking what is the correct code for percutaneous scratch tests with allergenic extract. It is matching with the code 95004, which is for percutaneous test with allergenic extract. They have mentioned scratch, puncture, prick. Code 95017 in option B is wrong because it is for combination testing, percutaneous and intracutaneous tests with venoms. So it is wrong. Eliminate option B. Coming to option C, 95018, which is for allergy testing, and it is also a combination test of percutaneous and intracutaneous testing with drugs or biological. So that is also wrong. And option D, 95024 is also incorrect because it is for intracutaneous test with allergenic extract. We have to code for percutaneous scratch test with allergenic extract, which is matching with the code 95004. Option D is wrong. The right answer is option A. Next question. Before solving this question, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Read the question. A new patient is having a cardiovascular stress test done in his cardiologist office. Before the test is started, the physician documents a comprehensive history and exam and moderate complexity MDM. The physician will be supervising and interpreting the stress on the patient's heart during the test. What procedure code should be documented for this encounter? We can see many codes in the options, right? So first let us check first code from each option. So in option A we have 93015, option B 93016, option C 93015 again, and option D 93018. So let us check 93015. 93015 is for cardiovascular stress test using maximal or submaximal treadmill or bicycle exercise, continuous cardiographic monitoring with supervision, interpretation and report. And 93016 is for cardiovascular stress test, supervision only without interpretation and report. In the scenario, the physician will be supervising and interpreting the stress on the patient's heart. So we have to code for supervision and also interpretation, right? But in 93016, it is without interpretation. So we'll eliminate option B. In option C also, they have mentioned 93015. Check the code 93018. 93018 is for cardiovascular stress test, interpretation and report only. But according to the scenario, we have to code for supervision also. And 93018 is only for interpretation and report. So we'll eliminate option D. We are left with option A and option C. We check the code 93015, which is for cardiovascular stress test, continuous electrocardiographic monitoring with supervision, interpretation and report. So that is the right code in option A and C, and they have mentioned 99204 in both the options. So 99204 is for office or other outpatient visit for E&M of a new patient. In the scenario also, the patient is new, so that is matching, and the MDM is moderate level. In the scenario also, there is moderate complexity MDM. So it is matching with the code 99204. That is the right code. Modifier 25 is mentioned. Why? Because while coding evaluation and management codes with other chapter codes, we have to append modifier 25 to the evaluation and management code. So that is right. Now what is the difference between option A and option C? That is modifier 26. Okay. Modifier 26 is for professional component. But remember, there is a guideline that stress test codes, that is 93015 to 93018, and stress echocardiography contrast administration code, that is 93352, are designated as global codes, and we should not report modifier 26 or TC with these codes. So it will be wrong if we append modifier 26 to the code 93015, since it denotes the global service. So we'll eliminate option A. Option C is the right answer.